So my name's Andy Sterling and I'm an Organisational Development Business Partner here at BlueScope. So our relationship with schools was fairly difficult to navigate. We struggled to know who the right stakeholders were to communicate to, and we were probably not as effective as we could be in making sure that students were aware of our opportunities.
My biggest problem as a careers advisor is showing kids what's out there, and apart from being a carpenter or a bricklayer or a hairdresser, the common jobs that are out there is showing them that there's a number of different jobs.
I knew a bit about the industry because my dad worked as a fitter machinist for quite a few years. I was a bit unsure about whether or not what I wanted to do when I did leave school.
We then worked together with Andy from BlueScope and designed a unique program which entailed going and stopping at certain milestones throughout BlueScope and talking to cadets and existing Warrawong High School students that are now apprentices.
Through the RIEP program, we took her on the BlueScope tour and she got to go and see what the steelworks is. I think that sort of helped Pepper make her mind up.
So I got to see how the actual departments and that worked. I got to speak to an apprentice. They told us how it was like, and it definitely helped me get more of an insight into the trade and how it worked, and that I wanted to do it really.
At BlueScope, we host apprentices both in electrical and mechanical. So Pepper Howard is doing engineering apprenticeship, so she's doing a Cert 3 in engineering.
And because she had done the RIEP program with BlueScope, that put her in front of her peers. She secured a full-time apprenticeship for 2024 with BlueScope.
Before I started the 8-week program, I knew very little about the trade, and now I've finished it and I've just started working in my department, and I feel a lot more confident with hand tools, what to do. It's
been really excellent working with Jenny and Neil on the RIEP program. We have lots of things come across a careers advisor desk, and you've got to work through what you think is best for your kids. 99% of the programs that RIEP run have been terrific. So RIEP connects employers into schools.